Hello everybody, it is Captain John, and welcome back to yet another remote control airplane video. This will be a short video on my newest project, my Beechcraft Baron. This plane was really a test bed to attempt to build a plane with a steerable nose wheel and a twin configuration. I chose a twin so I would have plenty of room in the nose to build a steering mechanism without worrying about the battery or motor placement. Alright, tails assembled. This is about where the wing's gonna end up. The proportions aren't perfect, but it definitely looks like a Baron, which is great. This plane took some time to build, as with most of the twins I've built. This is due to how much more precise you must be with the construction of the aircraft. Some of y'all may have left some comments yelling at me about a little design flaw that I just now noticed. I wonder if you guys can see it. Look at that aileron compared to that engine nacelle. Look at that aileron compared to that engine nacelle. I've managed to build my ailerons completely different sizes, and the servos are in completely different places. How did this happen? I don't even know what I did to mess this up, but I'm gonna hopefully try and find a way to fix it. This plane, like all my others, is made with foam board, hot glue, and duct tape with some wood for a spar. The rear wheels are gonna be nice and easy. I'm just gonna put them on a piece of plywood and then glue it to the bottom. This nose wheel is actually a steerable nose wheel. Alright, so unfortunately this rubber band thing isn't working. What I can do is run a push rod from that servo all the way up. So here we go. I got that set up on the yaw. There's a little tube there and a tube here just to help guide it. It comes up to here. That's not perfect, but it'll work. As you can see, steerable nose wheel. I spent most of my time building the wing, which is my first attempt at a real airfoil shape instead of the classic KF or full design I've been using on most of my aircraft. The plane flew surprisingly poorly on the first few flights. It would get very unstable at slower speeds and try to drop a wing. I was able to counter this by flying it faster and making the expo a higher percentage. Alright, so that's the maiden flight of the Baron. Unfortunately, that's not really what I was expecting. It seemed pretty unstable, pitch and roll wise. It also seemed a little tail heavy, which was remedied by flying it on a 4S pack, which again, helped it fly even faster. Here's some of the issues. The wing is supposed to have dihedral, but after construction, it's almost neutral and may even have some anhedral. This is why I believe the plane is unstable on the roll axis. I'd hoped that the weight of the plane and the lift would bend the wings up for me, but that did not happen. The other major issue is also to do with the wings. The airfoil does not have enough camber. It barely makes any lift, which is why I have to fly it fast and land it fast in order to have positive control. I could fix this by implementing a positive angle of incidence, but that would require the wings to be rebuilt. I also could have thickened the wing cross-section, which would introduce more camber, but that also requires a rebuild. I plan on painting this plane up and making it look like the real thing, but decided against it. Unfortunately, the plane has too many teething issues that I can't easily fix, and I have decided to end the Baron project at this stage. But it is not all doom and gloom. I have learned a great deal from this project and plan to implement my lessons learned on my next aircraft. The steerable nose wheel worked great, and needless to say, the plane did actually fly. Well everybody, thanks for watching and supporting my channel. Please like, comment, share, and or subscribe to help my channel grow. I hope to see all of you in the next one. Thanks for watching.